Alright guys, we're back. We're back at Pick and Pull. We're at Fairfield though. We're hella far away.
Way too far.
Mob this. Yeah, in the Tesla, in the Besla. So we're gonna try to picking up some E36 parts. Hopefully for my car and Ethan's car. Hopefully they have it here. They had a white 36 that just pulled up here. So hopefully they'll have all the doors and all the stuff he needs. And then I need a door handle and I also need a wheel hub bearing. I just need a new wheel bearing, but I'll probably not buy it from here. I'll probably buy it brand new.
If there's a 328 here with a whole front end that feels good, we might get it.
Okay.
It's hot.
It's a little hot. I am currently shirtless, no free pics, but here's the donor car. Not donor, but here's the parts car. This fender's biffed. Ethan needs this fender, but we're deciding whether it's worth it or not. I don't know.
It's kind of biffed.
What do you guys think? It's hard to get the light because it's so bright.
It's all bent up here.
It's a little bent. It's not the worst. I'm gonna try to pull the door off, the door handle, because I need the door handle. Where's that? My trunk's all good now, so I don't need that. But this part broke on my car. You guys don't know. This entire thing is broken, so I'm just gonna undo it from this lever, probably.
Hold up, take the other side, because this is the door I might take.
Huh?
Take the other side. Or is it only this?
So it's my driver's side. That's
okay. Here, let's wait 1 second. I want to
okay.
close the door.
All right. Ethan wants the door. We're gonna have to fight over it. No, I'm kidding. There's probably another 36 here, honestly. I don't know. Go look. Done at Pick and Pull. Holy cow! It's hot as hell in Fairfield,
so,
man.
98 degrees. Look at that.
The 98. We were pulling parts in 98-degree weather. I was shirtless. It was hot. Or like the temperature was hot.
Yeah, it was.
Yeah. We're now cruising back in the Tesla. We got the fender back there, got the X brace, and we also got the inner door handle for me. So now I can finally have a door handle that works. That's not broken.
2 door handles that work.
Two door handles. Yep, exactly. So Ethan got exterior door handles. I got the inner one. So yep. Now we're on our way back from Fairfield. Hour and 10 minutes back in the Tesla. Currently behind a Nissan Altima with a Caught Feelings sticker.
Griffin, where you at?
On the back. On the back of his window. On his back windshield. That is something Griffin would rock. I'm pretty sure Griffin has something similar. Griffin did catch feelings. Just not for us. Just not for any of us.
Yeah, bro. It hurts every day.
It's tough, bro. Alright guys, we're on our way to pick up some merchandise. Not for us though. For you guys. This one's
Redo that.
okay.
Yeah.
Whoa. Alright, what's going on guys? We're on our way to go get some merch. Not for us though. For you guys. We're picking up a big order. No, I mean a decently big order comparatively to last time. Because we sold out so fast. I didn't know you guys are also supportive. Thank you so much for the last one. But now we got new designs. They're designed by Griffin. It's gonna be lit. I can't wait for you guys to see the designs. But yeah, we're gonna go pick them up. We got the truck. Hopefully there's enough room back there. I don't know. Yeah. If we have
we're really lucky because the design shop is right off the highway. It's super close to the highway, so yeah.
It's super close. In the shop, I think.
That's just
Look at all these boxes, man. Oh my god. Toge runners? That's actually not the design. It's just, I don't know, they just put that.
Every single box back here is ours.
Yeah. Not all of these. I wish. Damn, bro. Look at all these boxes. It's just these ones and then those. It's not all of these, don't worry. Oh my god.
Sir.
Jesus Christ.
People always ask, they're like, Eric, your car breaks so much, you should do like a Patreon so like we can pay you to fix your car.
That's how you do it.
Support the merch, you know? That way you guys get something too. Obviously, that's really cool, so.
This way you're not just getting nothing for money. You're
Exactly.
actually getting something in hands for
Yes.
it.
I would feel bad about just taking donations, you know? Okay, I'm gonna help now. I'm just talking. Alright guys, so before today's drive, I actually don't have any Premix. Well, I do have Premix, but you guys know I've been using the AutoZone one, so it's not that great. Luckily, the guys at Rotary sent me their special package, which includes a full quart of Idemitsu racing premix. So this is like the best stuff you can ever put in your car if you have a Rotary. They sent me a shirt. Thank you so much. Large. I'm gonna wear this. I'm gonna rep this Rotary Bump shirt. And they also sent me, oh wow, renewable lubricants, bio racing Premix is also really good. So both these are the top 2 premixes in the game right now. And they even sent me this little kit. This is pretty cool. It's like a whole little, holy cow, wait, this is really cool. Oh my God. They even sent me an entire kit with premix measuring bottles with the ounces on the bottle labeled on there. They even sent me this premix funnel for my car, and they also sent me a little oil rag in case I get a little messy, you know, spill a little bit. So thank you so much to the guys at Rotary Bump once again. If you guys want some of these, if you guys want a kit like this, the link will be in my description. I'll put it down there so you guys, you know, click on it. You guys want one for yourself, go and cop one. All right, guys, so we got the Rotary Bump filled up. All you do, look how professional this feels. Ooh, Itamitsu filled up in all 3 of them. Got the funnel right there. I cannot wait to fill up gas. Just for this, obviously I'm not excited to fill up gas because it's kind of expensive, but I'm excited to fill it up and then also add this premium premix. Hopefully it'll make me, you know, I don't know, not faster, but hopefully it'll make the motor last longer. I mean, it probably will, so we'll see. Oh my God, he's getting nuts. Damn, boy. Dude, I feel like that's a lot, hella. It's like so much, but like, I know there's not that much soap, it just mixes well. Yeah, that's... Let me get a better view real quick. Okay, there we go. Sorry. Yeah. Oh.
Alright guys, so today we're gonna
we're just finished the washes on the car. I'm simultaneously filming content as Griffin is. Currently on an FD. This is why the neighbors absolutely hate us because of this. Yes, sir. We live. Neighbors hate us. All right, man. Filling up at the gas station. You already know. Got to get the. Got the kit right there. You feel me? Yeah. Right, so first step. Put it on the wing. That's already damaged, so it's okay if it scratches it a little. Pop this open. Bam, you got the whole kit right there. Grab a little funnel right here. All right. Take off the gas cap right here. Put it in the spot. Stick this little funnel here. And we're gonna fill up probably like 8 gallons. So 8 gallons, that's 4 ounces. So you want to put in half the bottle. Stick that in right there. It's all just going in. Nice and easy. And all you do is that. Get that. Drip a little. There you go. Put it back in there, and to prevent any leakage, you get the oil rag, clean it out a little bit, wrap it around in that, boom, you're done. That's how you premix, VIP style. Onto the painful part of filling up. Premixing is cool. Gas is luckily going down a little bit, but Premixing was cool. Love the premix, but oh man, this is. It's a little painful. $6 a gallon. I bet there's cheaper places. I bet like Costco's probably like $5.80. I assume $5.70, $5.80. So I'm only spending like 10 to 20 cents more here. But oh my God, man, Jesus Christ, we're hiking up. We're hiking up in price. Oh hell no. Oh hell no, man. No, not this. No, not this way. Idiot, dude. I hate eating this sometimes, man. This guy, man, this guy. Pickle. Pickle. Hi, Pickle. Alright, yeah, once again, guys, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you so much. Shout out to the guys at, Rotary Bump for sending me the VIP kit. If you guys want one for yourself, link will be in the description. But also, when you guys are seeing this video, the merch will have dropped. So, if you guys want to cop some for yourself, they're literally all right here.
All of this.
They're all high quality. We pick them up ourselves. None of this stuff is drop shipped. We bag and pack them ourselves. We also drive them to the actual USPS store, so the shipping company or the shipping outlet, and we hand deliver them to them to make sure you guys have like the fastest shipping times as well as the best quality shirts out there.
I'm really proud of these guys. We worked really hard on these.
Really,
really good.
Solid quality,
Very solid.
Solid design. This isn't just, it's not ripped off the internet. Like we actually they were actually designed by Griffin. So we're very, 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 very proud of all of these shirts and designs that, you know, have been created here. So we aim for quality versus quantity. We don't want just like a money grab. We really, really, really want to stand with like you guys getting like the top quality merch, basically something that you'd actually be happy with and would wear on a daily basis. Yeah. So look, even Griffin's wearing it right now, man. In his sleep, he just woke up. He's wearing it in his sleep, bro. Live and breathe by the merch. But anyways, once again, guys, thank you so much. You've made it to the end, and I'll see you guys in the next vid. Peace. Oh, sorry.